হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল রাহাজ টিউটোরিয়াল। এর আগে ভিডিওতে আমরা থান্ডার কেক চ্যাপ্টারটা এক্সপ্লেন করেছি। আজকের কোশ্চেন আনসার করব। লেটস স্টার্ট। এর ফার্স্টেই আছে আরসিটি কোশ্চেন, তোমরা বই খুলে দেখে নাও। ডি, work in pairs, read the sentence from the story and answer the question that follow. Okay, number 1. Unless you let go of me, we won't be able to make a thunder cake today. Who said this and to whom? Grandmother said this to the child. আমি আবার কোশ্চেনটা পড়ছি। Who said this and to whom? Grandmother said this to the child. Next question 1b. Why was the person being spoken to holding on to the speaker? The child was scared of thunder, so she was holding her grandmother. The child was scared of thunder, so she was holding her grandmother. Next question. Why did the speaker wish to make a thunder cake? Why did the speaker wish to make a thunder cake? Answer is, the speaker decided to make a thunder cake to divert the child's attention from the thunder and keep her busy in an engrossing activity. The speaker decided to make a thunder cake to divert the child's attention from thunder and keep her busy in an engrossing activity. RTC question number 2. তোমরা দেখো পেজ নাম্বার 22 of the book Communicate with Cambridge. When you hear the thunder, stop counting. That number is how many miles away the storm is. Understand? She asked. We need to know how far away the storm is. 2a question. Who is the speaker of these lines? Answer is, the grandmother is the speaker of these lines. 2b. How would they know how far the storm was? How would they know how far the storm was? Answer, they would know by starting to count after the flash of the lightning to the sound of thunder. The storm was as many miles away as the storm was as many miles away as the number they had counted up to. ওকে, আমি তোমাদের এখানে একটা কথা বলে দিই। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। আমার কাছে লাস্ট যে ইমেল এসেছে, কাসিনো, ছোটা ভীম, ব্যাড বয়েজ অ্যান্ড শর্মিষ্ঠা মজুমদার, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর সাবস্ক্রাইবিং মাই চ্যানেল। তোমরা বাকি যারা আমার ভিডিও দেখছো, আমার ভিডিও তোমাদের ভালো লাগছে, প্লিজ 1 সেকেন্ড লাগবে, তোমরা ভিডিওটা প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও। ওকে, চলো নেক্সট কোশ্চেন 2c. Why did they need to know how far away the storm was? Answer, they need to know how far the storm was so that they could make the cake and put it in the oven before the storm come. তোমরা লিখে নাও, তোমরা ভিডিওটা চাইলে সেভও করে নিতে পারো। Number 3. Brave people can't be afraid of a sound child, she said as we spread out the tablecloth and set the table. 3a question. Who said this? Answer is, the grandmother said this. Was the person being spoken to a brave person? Answer, no, she was afraid of thunder. Number C. What made the speaker think that the child was brave? Answer, the grandmother encouraged the child to be brave. She convinced that she was brave because she went out of the house while it was thundering to get the ingredients for making a thunder cake. Number 4. Number 4, basically page number 22, E. Think and answer. E1. How did the child overcome her fear in the story? Answer. The child went out in the open to get the ingredients of the cake while the thunder was rumbling. Her grandmother had got her interested in baking a cake. She was kept busy. Her attention was diverted. By the time the storm came, the cake was ready and they were enjoying it. She was never scared of thunder after this experience. Next question. Do you think that the child realized what the grandmother was trying to do? Give reasons for your answer. No, the child didn't understand the grandmother's intention. She innocently went about doing what the grandmother wanted. Next question. What are the ways in which one can get over one's fear of something? What are the ways in which one can get over one's fear of something? Answer is, we can do something to keep ourselves busy. We can do something to keep ourselves busy. We should not think of that which scares us. In this way, one can get over one's fear of something. Next question. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Explain this statement. Give examples to support your answer. Answer. If we keep thinking about what we are afraid of, our fear will become worse. For instance, if we are afraid of the dark and keep thinking of frightening things about the dark, our fear will become unbearable. I hope তোমরা নোট ডাউন করে রেখেছো। তোমার যদি আমার ভিডিও ভালো লাগে তো প্লিজ লাইক, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও। থ্যাংক ইউ।